Are you an unemployed? Are you really like to get a government job? Are you ready to prepare at least 6 month intensive way? You should not focus only on state service. You should be ready to prepare for central government jobs. We all know that UPSC civil service exam. Of course, for that you need to prepare more than few years. But when you come to SSC, railway, banking, navy, army, air force and all, if you are ready to work around 6 month intensive way, can crack the exam. We know that the civil service exam that need only graduation, and there are so many jobs. If you have only class 10 pass, you can apply and you can get the job. And most of us like to get government job but not ready to hard work. And we can understand there are some friends, they wrote so many times the exam but not cracking the exam, because we will fill the form, after that we will dream such anything, and after that what will happen, we will forget about the exam. And after that, when the admit card comes, we will be working for 1 month. After that we will write the exam and we will tell that exam is very tough, corruption is there, we won't get the exam. So what do you want to do? We need to prepare at least for 6 months. And we can understand there are some friends, they are already postgraduates but they didn't write one time any competitive exam. How can they get the job? So what I am telling means, you can study nicely but make sure that you should prepare for the competitive exam after class 10 onwards. And some of us, we already wrote so many times the exam, and some of you even prepared well but didn't crack the exam. The main reason, some of us don't know actually, whatever the textbooks we need to refer for the particular exam, even they don't have the time management. So what I am telling means, prepare well for a particular exam and understand the syllabus nicely. Whatever the books we required for that particular exam, here, be Sure Success Coaching Center Dimapur, we are ready to help you. What you want to do means, you come to YouTube channel Sure Success Coaching Center Dimapur, subscribe the channel, and you can see there are so many videos related with competitive exams. And if you have some suggestions, if you have some doubts, you can comment it to there. And of course, you can call us through these mobile numbers. Well, when you study from the YouTube channel, if you feel difficult, especially for arithmetic and reasoning, if you are not understanding nicely, we are ready to help you here freely. What you want to do means, we will be giving class from here in this Dimapur center. We will give you free class. What you want to do means, contact us. It will be fully free. You don't want to pay for that. And of course, there are some friends, they have time and they can afford. And some of you already went to Delhi and all for competitive exams. You prepared from Delhi and all. Of course, if you have time, if you are ready to come with us, if you are ready to join with us, at least for 6 months intensively, we can crack the exam. All the books you need for the particular exam, or the magazines or the newspapers, whatever you require, we will provide from our Sure Success Coaching Center. And those ready to sacrifice at least 6 months, if you are ready to stay with us, we will help you to crack the exam. What you want to do means, you have to sacrifice at least few months your happiness. This is not magic. This is not a false promise. If you are ready to hard work with us, we will crack the central government jobs. What you want to do means, at least 6 months you have to ready to hard work. Of course, if you have any problems or any queries, you are always welcome to contact this number. Best wishes to all of you.